Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in or log into Match Factory with Apple ID. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Match Factory application and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. Now, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu from where you will need to tap on Sign in with Apple option. Go ahead and enter your Apple ID credential or simply go ahead and log in using your Face ID on your mobile device. Once you've signed into your account, you will then be able to connect with Apple ID just like that. Tap the continue button and now you will be able to save your progress throughout the game. So that is how you can easily sign in to Match Factory with Apple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.